In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your company's domains to Hubspot. Whether you're setting up your domains for the first time or looking to integrate with Hubspot, this process is straightforward and quick, taking just about 5 minutes. Let's dive into it. First, start by navigating to the Hubspot website by simply opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL hubspot.com. This is a hub of software and tools vital for managing your business efficiently. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice a login button typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to proceed. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials to access your Hubspot account. For those who don't have an account yet, you'll want to set one up before proceeding with this tutorial. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot home dashboard. The layout is designed for user friendliness, guiding you towards essential tools and options swiftly. Now observe carefully for the settings icon, which is usually depicted as a gear and located in the main navigation menu on the left sidebar. Click on settings to open up a wide array of configuration options. Now that you're in the settings section, look for the content tab. This is where you'll manage all aspects related to what you publish or share using Hubspot. Clicking on content will further expand options listed under it. Select the one named Domains and URLs. This is crucial as it handles the domain settings, allowing you to specify how your website interacts with Hubspot systems. On the Domains and URLs page, focus your attention on the option to connect a domain. This, essentially, is where you associate your business's web domains with your Hubspot account, allowing for seamless management and integration. Selecting this option will guide you through additional prompts and required information. Ensure you have your domain details handy, like your domain registration credentials, just in case you need them during this stage. Following these steps, Hubspot will guide you through the verification process to finalize the connection. Keep in mind, connecting a domain might also involve updating DNS settings, so you'll want access to your domain's registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap, or wherever your domain is hosted to confirm these settings as required. And there you have it. Once these steps are complete, your company's domains will be successfully connected to Hubspot, enabling you to streamline marketing and sales operations. This integration opens up a plethora of tools within HubSpot tailored to enhance productivity and engagement with customers. I hope you find this guide straightforward and helpful. Remember, if you encounter issues, HubSpot support resources are a great place to seek assistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.